kind of fucked. I think it is. Alright, it's my 1995 K1500 5.7 liter 4x4. Apparently I have engine knock. I'll just listen for a little bit. For some reason it doesn't start right off the bat. Alright, well, this is kind of weird. I haven't ran it for probably 3 days now. Alright, well, this is kind of weird actually. But here's the key thing. We'll shift her into reverse. Alright, well now I'm fucking confused. What the hell? Alright boys, this doesn't make any fucking sense whatsoever. I've been running this for like 2 minutes now. And there's no fucking sound. Like, what the... You can barely hear a tick? I don't understand what the fuck's going on, man. Alright, it's been around 3 minutes of running this thing. I thought I heard it for a split second. Alright, when it shifts, so like you hear that. Now we're in neutral. It's gone. We're in drive. It's doing it. It wasn't doing it before. Going to park. Now it's stuttering. You can feel the engine stuttering. Alright, it's going to be the test with RPMs. So right now, you can hear it a little bit. So, you hear at the beginning of the rev? So it looks like it increases with the revs. It's 1,000 RPMs. And on low idle, it's just doing its thing, getting louder, just hanging out.